Do emails really matter anymore? The quest goes on about bringing more content to the channel. Thanks for viewing the videos. All you who have subscribed, and those that are subscribing as I speak, and those that haven't yet done so. Thank you very much. That's what keeps this little channel going. For this topic, do emails really matter anymore? Well, I don't know about you, but that's how I run my business for the most part. If the phone isn't ringing, people are checking out the website and filling out a bit of info on the contact page. Their info goes directly into my email box, and I'm able to respond with a new email thread with the email that the customer's typed in. So once the time and date are set up to meet, I go out and meet with them and take down the issues, the measurements for what's needed to give them a fair competitive price for their for either their fence repair or their installation project. Sometimes while out on the estimate, I will give the number to the customer right on the spot. And I think about 7 times out of 10, I get the project with just a handshake. And that's when it's only like a 1 or 2 fence posts remove and replace. The other installation estimates, I have to take the measurements down and bring them back to the office, and all the other necessary information to send to the customer email quote. Maybe that can be another video on how I write quotes. Email the customer. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see something like that. So anyway, after the numbers have been worked up, I send the customer an email with the quote. Then it's up to them to respond. When they do, I pull the file and put them aligned with all along the rest right now. And so the line of work orders for small fence repairs and installs, they've reached about 15 to 17 weeks out at the peak of the season. Right now, I'm probably about 3 to 5 weeks out. But I've seen so much damage with the storm activity and repaired a lot of fences because of storms too, you know. So I don't want to sound mean or anything like that, but sometimes I have prayed for storms to blow fences down in hope that property owner would call Fix a Fence LLC for a quote to repair their fences. Hey, what can I say? You know, it works all the time. Not like I'm asking for anyone to get hurt, but just for the fences to fall. So to answer the question, do emails really matter anymore? Yes, they do. Emails are also what's considered a binary contract. They're not written in ink by pen, but ink nonetheless when printed. So there is power in the keyboard. One thing I will never do with the email addresses that I've collected over the years with Fix a Fence LLC is to sell them to some third party for a profit. Not what I or you have signed up for. And I can spam them with a bunch of my offers since they have signed up for Fix a Fence anyway. But that's not a good business model. And I don't plan on changing it at all. So until the next video, scripted around a title, hey, keep smiling and have a great day.